Welcome to your Thursday guided reading lesson. You were asked to read Spectator Sport, okay? Now, I want to talk about what the main idea and the supporting details of Spectator Sport is. So, let's talk about the main idea, okay? Adolf Levitt spotted a business opportunity. So, as you're reading, one thing you realize is he jumped on the donut bandwagon. He knew that this was going to be a big moneymaker. So he started the donut, okay? Now, supporting details. People watch as the donuts cook through the window and eventually it led them to purchase them. You guys know you have done this all at some point. This is what Krispy Kreme does. This is why Krispy Kreme takes this because it in turn makes you want to buy donuts from the business. So this helped launch his business opportunity. Why? Because people saw it and had to have them. Levitt couldn't keep up with the demand of donuts and invented the donut machine. So as you continue to read, the best fact that I thought of was it took him 12 times to get it correct. 12. That's crazy. So he created the donut machine, which helped him continue to produce donuts to meet the demand of his customers. Okay? So this is the main idea, and these are the supporting details that support your main idea. What I would like for you to do for the next time is I would love for you to read pages 11 through 14. That's the end of it. Okay? You'll have that ready for Friday. Now, Friday, I am not going to give you a guided reading lesson. On Friday, you are going to take a quiz, okay? So, I will still create a video so we can review the book, but I won't give you an assignment for next time. What I would love for you to do is on some kind of piece of paper, I want you to create your main idea and the supporting details. Okay, now let's talk about our word work, okay? So today we're going to talk about irregular plurals. Now, some of you are like, oh, miss, we've done this so much in class. Well, it never hurts to review. So, let me grab a marker. Got my marker real fast. Now, let's start. Oops, sorry, I'm stepping on my anchor chart. So, wolf is to wolves. That's plural. Singular, plural. Knife is to, oh, that's right, I can hear y'all shouting at me, knives. Okay? Sheep. Oh, I put that one on there for a reason. You're not going to write sheeps. That's not right? That looks wrong. No, you're actually going to just put sheep. Sheep. Goose to geese. Leaf. Ooh, I can hear you already. Leaves. Deer to deer. Half. Halves. Loaf. You're right. Loaves. And mouse. My favorite. Mice. Okay? So, irregular plurals. I thought I would go through it with you. Now, if you can think of any other, I would love to see what you could come up with. You can send it to me through Google Chat. That was your irregular verbs. Thank you, guys. Don't forget to read pages 11 through 14. Bye.